If you guys missed the last video, I put the winners of the Rocklight giveaway in the comment section of that video, and the three winners that the company chose to win a set of Rocklights are 67 IH Farmer, Colt Hund, and Ivan Missick. I'm sorry, bro, if I pronounced that wrong. I probably butchered that horribly, but you guys are the three winners that they chose to win a set of Rocklights. So if you missed that in the comment section, then be sure to check that comment. It's pinned at the top of the last video, and send that company an email so that you can claim your Rocklights. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Pure Panorama. First and foremost, I want to say happy Memorial Day to everybody out there. I am representing my Diesel Auto Power flag shirt. Let's not get it twisted as to what this day is about and what it resembles in honoring those men and women who served our country and have fallen while protecting and trying to help us have the freedoms that we have and be able to live the lives that we live. I hope everybody had a great day with family and friends. I hope you had a barbecue, hit up a parade or two, but more importantly, I hope that you were safe in whatever you chose to do. If you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely hop over there real quick and give me a follow at Pure Panorama 19. Don't forget that we have links in the video description to tools and parts and AMSOIL, filters, oils, fuel additives. All that stuff is linked up for your convenience. It gives you good parts for your truck at no extra cost to you and helps the channel bring you better content. And also, we will have some merchandise stuff coming here soon. We're just waiting for the order to get here, and then I can show it to you guys and see what you think. I am super pumped to get it and let you guys see it. Now let's get into why you guys are here and why you clicked on the video. You've already seen the title and the thumbnail, and yes, that is very true. We are looking to sell the second gen 24 valve Cummins truck. I'm not going to go into full details in this video and what all we have done to the truck. If anybody is new to the channel and you'd like to know everything that has been done, you haven't had time to catch up on the videos, I apologize, but everything is documented here on the channel, so you can just go back through, watch the videos, you can skim through them and just kind of get the gist of what has been done to it in the last year to year and a half's time. I want to focus this video more on what my thought process is and why I have finally come to the conclusion of wanting to try and sell this second gen truck and let it go to a new home. For anyone who's been here for a little while now, about a year ago, you guys know that we went down to the East Coast Diesel National Show in New Media, Pennsylvania, and when we got home, I made a video about possibly wanting to sell the second gen truck, and the main reason for that was to kind of get some more space in the cab for my family so that everyone was a little bit more comfortable while we are all in the truck and going on a road trip or just having to go places together. Although the second gen can accommodate us all, we can all fit in there. The kids in the back seat with their car seats unfortunately just are a little bit crammed. It's a little tight quarters back there, so they're not as comfortable as they should be or would like to be, and we need to do something about that. You guys know that I absolutely love this truck. We've put a lot of time and effort into it. The second gen body style is hands down my favorite body style of these Dodge trucks, but unfortunately times come where you have to close one door in order to open another, and in order for us to think about getting something that would have more room for the family as a whole, I have to let this truck go. Believe me, it is the last thing that I want to do. If I could keep two trucks, I definitely would, but it's just not in the cards, and it just doesn't make sense for me to have two trucks. That truck as a whole is perfect for me to use for work and things like that. But as previously stated, whenever we all go someplace, I usually am the one who drives, and therefore we want to take the truck and take that out for a nice cruise, and well, we just need to have more room. And I know some of you might be thinking, then Josh, why don't you just get the wife a new car that can accommodate the family in a better fashion and keep the second gen and keep going with what you've already started? Well, if I'm being brutally honest with you guys, I hit a point a few months back where I just kind of started to become a little bored with this truck as well. This was a great truck to help me start learning about the Cummins platform, to help start learning about diesels in general, and we sure have made tons of great memories with this truck and documenting our journey along the way here on the channel, in hopes that these videos could help some of you guys out there if you ran into some of the same problems that I've had with the truck, or you just needed to repair or replace some of the parts that I've replaced on my truck. And I've had that thought cross my mind. Why don't I maybe just look at getting an SUV with third row seating, so that if we all have to hop in the car and go somewhere, we can jump in that and we can take that, therefore giving the truck kind of a break and not racking up miles on that. Most of you guys know that my job sites that I work at are quite a ways away from the house, so I'm already racking up a ton of miles on the truck every week as it is. So it would be nice to kind of give it a break if we all go somewhere as a family and take a different vehicle. But on the other hand, I love to drive. I just love the sound of the turbo screaming, the diesel engines in general. And also, I wouldn't mind taking the channel in a different direction and trying to open up the horizons to attract new crowds, bring in new family members here on the channel, and continue to grow what we have started here. And yes, I feel like we could continue to do that with the second gen, but let's be real, there are tons of second gen videos out there on YouTube right now. A lot of stuff has already been covered, and there's only so much that you can do with one particular truck before you kind of start having to think about maybe moving on into a new direction with something different. And that's just kind of where I'm at right now. There's also a few other things going on in the background with my life right now that I am working on and trying to get set up for myself, my family, and our future. So I am weighing that into my decision here also, and I'm trying to coordinate and make the best decisions based on everything going on in my life right now, so that at the end of the day I'm able to accomplish everything that I am working towards. I know that the foundation of this channel has been built up around the second gen content with this red 24 valve, and that's what most of you guys are here for, to learn about those trucks and to help you guys maybe diagnose and repair the trucks that you have at your house. And I apologize if you feel like we're letting you down in any way by getting rid of this truck, but we got to close one chapter to open up the next, and this is the end of a chapter, I think. So the truck is currently for sale. I have had it parked out in front of my house on the main road here for the last 2 weeks. I've had a ton of people stopping to look at it. We've had a few people come and go through it, test drive it, and I am now going to officially list it online and break the news to you guys here on the channel. I was just gonna try to sell it in the background and look to move forward with what I am hopefully trying to get done here and planning to do, but I felt that it was only proper to inform you guys about this, keep you guys in the loop, as you guys are the main backbone of the channel, supporting the videos, supporting what I do here on the channel, and so, well, this is for you. As I've said in the past, I wouldn't mind looking into a mega cab configuration so that we had all the cab space in the world, but we do want to sell this truck first before I really start getting serious about looking at a new truck. I already have started to look around just to kind of see what was out there and get a feel for what the market is doing right now. There's been a couple trucks that have stood out to me, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm trying to restrain myself and be patient. However, if a steal of a deal was to pop up in front of me out of the blue one day and I really had to consider making a move before I lost out on the opportunity to get a good truck with lower mileage before this truck was sold, then I would consider doing what I had to do. But ultimately, at the end of the day, I want to sell this one first, make sure that this one is gone to a good home, and then really start buckling down and looking for something new to bring to the channel. I'm not gonna give you too many hints or clues as to what I'm looking at right now or what I'm gonna be looking for. I have to have some surprise element to give you guys when we start to make that move and go in that direction. So you guys are just gonna have to stick it out with me and wait and see what is to come here in the future. But at least now you have some sort of an explanation as to why the uploads have kind of slowed down here on the channel, why we're not putting out too much truck content, and I'm not really sinking money into this truck right now and making all these different repair videos and things like that like we used to last spring and last summer. Last spring and last summer we were going hard trying to do daily uploads and making all sorts of videos on this second gen, but we're obviously not going to do that when I'm looking to sell the truck. I'm not going to focus my energy on putting more money into it when I'm trying to find it a new home. So unfortunately, the truck is going to sit as is until somebody comes along and wants to take it off my hands. Guys, this absolutely was a hard decision for me to make because, like I've already said, we have so much time and effort into this truck as it sits right now, and I would love to continue going with it and finish what we've started to try and save a second gen and keep another second gen on the road, but it's not feasible for me to have two trucks at the moment. And when it comes down to it, I need to think more about my family and what will suit all of us and not just my needs with work and things like that. So we need to send her off to a new home, and it was a very hard, sad decision for me to make, but I think I have finally come to terms with it, I guess, and I think that I'm okay with it. It might be a different story when somebody actually decides to take it and I watch it drive out of the driveway for the last time. Then it might hit me in a different way, but as for now, I think that I'm okay with it. If any one of you or your buddies may be looking for a truck or think that you might be interested in this truck, there are 2 ways to reach me. My email is always in the video description down below. You can always send me an email, or you can message me on Instagram at purepanorama19, and I will gladly send you over a full detailed list of everything that we have done to the truck in the last year and a half or so. The list just kind of summarizes all the videos that are here on the channel, because some of the videos are a little lengthy. I know it's going to take people a long time to kind of watch through them or skim through them and see what we've done. So if anybody is serious about the truck and wants to inquire about it, then feel free to send me a message. But please do not take this the wrong way. I don't have time to just answer questions for the hell of it. So if you're just trying to ask me questions for the sake of asking questions, then please save my time, save your time, and just don't bother. I need serious inquiries only on this from people who are really interested in doing business, because anyone who just has a general question, the answers are all right in front of you on the channel. That is gonna wrap this video up though, guys. I'm sorry if some of you feel a little bit disappointed, but unfortunately life goes on. When one door closes, another one opens, and hopefully we'll be moving on here in the very near future. In the meantime, we are still going to try to get out some videos here on the channel for you guys, so make sure that you are subscribed with those post notifications on so you never miss a new upload. If you are excited and pumped up for a new beginning, some new excitement here on the channel, then definitely show me by smashing that thumbs up. If you are just an angry person in general, then you can show me by double tapping that thumbs down. Again, don't forget about those links down below in the video description. Get yourself some good parts at no extra cost to you. Help the channel bring you better content, and I will hopefully see you guys soon with another new video. And hopefully I can show you some merch soon. Peace. If you've made it to the end of the video, then I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I know I have my true peeps out there who watch the videos all the way through, and you guys are appreciated more than you know it. But I want to let you know that there probably still will be a few videos coming on the 2nd Gen 24 valve truck before it ends up being sold. There are a couple of smaller things that need to be done, and I'm most likely going to go ahead and take care of that so that the new owner, whoever buys the truck from me, won't have to worry about it. So there will still be a few videos on the 2nd Gen 24 valve here on the channel. Make sure you keep your eyes peeled for those. And I'm most likely going to be taking a few parts off the truck still, and then I will have some parts listed for sale. If anybody is in need of a few things, I will let you know what I have and when they're available as soon as I'm able to get them off the truck. Oh, and check out this little project that I'm working on. I'll explain what it is in another video, but who might want to see some videos on things like this when I'm just feeling bored in the garage and trying to exercise my brain? And once again, happy Memorial Day, guys. Thank you to all who gave the ultimate sacrifice so that we're able to enjoy our freedom and spend time with our loved ones. See ya.